Movement and locomotion. Dear students, this is new chapter for our discussion today. Movements and locomotion. It is one of the important features of living organisms. The movement is one of the important features of the living organisms. In addition to this, some living organisms show movement from one place to another, that is locomotion. Both animals and plants exhibit a wide range of movements. Plants also can show movements and animals also show movements. It can be found in both. So far the animals are concerned, there are two types of movements. Number one movement is muscular movement and another is non-muscular movement. So far the muscular movements are concerned. Those movements are specially related to muscles and the skeletal system that we call as the muscular system. And these movements are called as muscular movements. This takes place in higher animals. But so far the non-muscular movements are concerned. Non-muscular movements include streaming of the protoplasm in the unicellular organisms, what we call as the cyclosis. In unicellular organisms such as the amoeba, the endoplasm and the ectoplasm show movement around the nucleus in this direction. This type of movement is called as non-muscular movement. It takes place in unicellular organisms. And there is also pseudopodial movement. Pseudopodial movement is the movement with the help of pseudopodia. The amoeba can acquire different shapes and sizes due to the formation of this pseudopodia on the plasma membrane. This pseudopodial movement takes place in amoeba. It is also non-muscular movement in nature. So far, other types of movements are concerned. There are flagellar movements, the movements which take place with the help of flagella. For example, we talk about the Euglena that has one flagellum, in which the flagellar movement takes place. It beats its flagellum so that the unicellular organism shows moments. We can find this type of movement in also the hydra. The hydra is an organism which belongs to invertebrates. It also shows movements by the flagellum. But there are some ciliar movements. This ciliar movement can be shown by the cells of higher animals in the body. In higher chordate animals, the movement is muscular movement. This muscular movement is due to the movement of two things, muscular system and the skeletal system. Muscular system contains muscles and the skeletal system contains bones and joints as well as cartilage. These two in cooperation show the movement. That movement is called as muscular movement. Whenever we hold something steady, muscles and skeleton work together. The muscles provide force and the skeleton offers hard surface for the force to work against. Hence the skeletal system and the muscular system are in cooperation with each other that show the muscular movements. For example, movement of our fingers, movement of our hand, movement of our what we call as the limbs, forelimbs or hind limbs, movement of our eyelids and movement of our neck. These are called as muscular movements. The movement can be defined. This movement can be defined. The act of changing place or position by the entire body or by one or more of its spots. This is called a movement. The movement can be defined by the act of changing place or the act of changing position by the whole of the body or by one of its parts. Sometimes movement can be done by parts. For example, we are moving our fingers. This is movement by parts. Sometimes we change our position from one place to another place. This is movement of place and position. Sometimes we change our position only, not the place. For example, when a person dances around on a single point, this is what we define as the movement. Movement may occur at the cellular level. It can occur at the cellular level. For instance, cytoplasmic movement or cyclosis in cells and seaming of gametes. This is cellular level movement. But movement can occur at the organ level also, such as heartbeat and rotation of eyeball. But the movement can take place at the organism level. The movement can take place at the organism level. Swimming of a fish, flying of a bird, walking of a man. These movements are of three types: cellular and organ and organism level. So far the plants are concerned, plants show cellular and often organ movements, but not organism movement. This is what we see in movements. So far the locomotion is concerned. The branch of science which deals with the study of movements, that branch is called as kinesiology. This is the branch of biology that deals with the study of movements. This is kinesiology. There is another more term that is called as locomotion. Locomotion is defined as the movement. It is intimately related to the movement. This locomotion is the movement of an animal as a whole from one place to another or simply change of place. Locomotion involves muscular movements and can be discussed separately. Sometimes we define this locomotor movement as the movement of a purposeful nature, such as in finding a shelter, in finding the food, in response to stimuli, in response to finding a mat. This is all about the introduction of movement and locomotion. That's all for today.